Validations we'll try to specify, and what we require. Still, tell me. Validation will do that. Exception handling will do that. Everything I'll do that. Then based on that, you can try to design the more application, madam. Can you do it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Rest, validation, third example. Okay. Now next. So once you design the application, no doubt the web, and next, what is that? Dev tools if you want it, the Lombok, Spring Data JPA, and validation, and MySQL driver. So still, what exactly you require anything else? No, because we are doing a Spring. But one thing here, 11th, okay, 11 is a version, fine. So now everything is fine, finish. What is the next step, madam? Guys, what is the next step? Friends, what is the next step?
Entity class.
No, configuration
ఆ,
file. మీరే చెప్పాలి,
application
నేను design చేస్తాను
properties.
application, please. Okay? To be
Property.
interact, guys. నేను కొద్దిగా
Application
interact అవ్వండి,
properties.
please. So that you should be understand the effective manner. So now let me try to perform the operation like what, ma'am? So next step, configuration file. Then you can try to design the configuration file, sir. Tomorrow I'll try to focus security, guys. So just you can try to specify the database configuration file. Can you do it? Yes, Shiva, I can. Good. Next. What is the next step? Come on, friends. What is the next step? Entity class.
Entity
Okay.
class.
So then in entity class, I told you very clearly, I'll try to take more fields. Okay, take it, Shiva. I want to see that. Then I want to take like a class name is called student. I'll try to use like a model. Student. Good. The student class, we are trying to using like entity. First, let me try to specify the properties so that you get one idea. So here I want to use like private int student ID. Yes. Private string first name. Okay. The private, the string last name. Yes or no, madam? First name and last name. So what exactly you required again? Then joining date. When the student is joined, private, the date, joining date. Got it? Like this. Good. Next, the description, madam. Description. Yes. So next, let me try to take like a student status, madam. Student is active lo unnada, the he is maybe inactive or the process, and what exactly the status of the student. I want to keep it. Okay. So that I will try to take the help of one enumeration class. Student task status, CA status. Are you clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is this class? Then let's try to create student task. Okay. Let me try to create one class to avoid this error. This is called as a helper class. అన్ని ఫీల్డ్స్ పెట్టేస్తానమ్మా, ఒక్క ఇమేజ్ తప్ప అన్ని పెడతాను ఇంకా. Student task. Good. Now, so here the class is enum. So you want to design like enum or you want to design like a class? Enum. Because class we know, right, madam? We'll do it differently, right? Pending. In progress, PROGRESS. Right. Then cone and kill. Yes, your wish. Right, like this. Got it? Then task. Just a given like this. Now, so what I can do next, madam? Please tell me. Email, guys.
Email or
Ninth
phone
line
number.
లో string wrong ఇచ్చేసారు.
Wrong.
Ekram?
Spellings.
Oh, okay.
9th line.
Yeah.
Spellings.
Private. Yeah. Private. Next, let me try to give like email. Yes. Next. So, sir, auditing purpose, madam. I want to use like a created at. So what time you want to, I mean, what time the student information inserted, what time student information is updated. This point I want to say in my application development. Are you clear? Private.
Yes, sir.
గుర్తుందా మీ చెప్పాను ఇది
Yes, sir.
created at. Now private date updated at. Use ID purpose. Now, Shiva, can you try to specify now so many fields, right? Yeah. Now, let me try to write here now annotations, madam. What is annotation we try to use it? I want to generate status and getters. Can you tell me now, please? Can I use at the rate of data? Can I use like all argument constructor? Yes. At the rate of no argument constructor? Yes. And you want to make as an entity class? Yes. Now, sir, if I not specify any class name, sorry, table is, if you not specify that data, if you not specify the table name, what is the table name by default? If you not specify the table name, it takes like a class name, only table name. Are you clear, ma'am? Got it? Madhya, please. ID. Then generic generator. Name. So you can try to use my generator strategy. Increment generated value, right? Generated strategy. Are you clear, everyone? Yes. Now,
Sir.
sir, if you want to specify the column name, your wish, madam. I don't want to specify any column name. Column name by default, I want to choose like SID only. Yes, leave it then. Got it? If you not specify the column logical name, by default, it will accept SID is a column name. ఈ పాయింట్ అర్థమైందా మీకు అర్థం కాలేదా ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో దెన్ ప్లీజ్
అర్థమైంది సార్.
అర్థమైంది
Right.
సార్.
Now I want to use annotations, Rani. Not null. Then I want to specify the size. What is the size? Min to message. Look at now message. So what is the message? The first name should have at least 2 characters. Are you clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the same thing, last name. Can I have like this? Yes, Shiva, you're right. Right. First name should have at least. Last name should have at least 2 characters. My wish, ma'am. You can write it anywhere. Practice, right? Now, the date. So what is the date, madam? Tell me, please. So the what is the which format you want to save? Which format you want to store in the database, madam? Please. Yes, tell me.
By month.
Sorry, temporal. Temporal. Then date. You can decide, madam. Here itself, you can try to decide what way you want to define date format. So what is DDMMYY format? I want to save it. Got it? Next, description now. So I can use at the rate of large object. Right. So maybe you can have the huge number of information. Next, what about next one, ma'am? Here, especially student talk. Very good. Here I want to specify the column, madam. Column definition is by default, I want to say if you not specify anything, status, I want to say specify like pending. By default, I want to see like a pending. In the moment, you can try to write like column definition. Right? Not null, then default. Yeah, pending. Right. Enumerated. Enumerated. Right. Enum type. What is the type, madam? String kada. Right. This is a fixed, madam. Because you just now you've seen that this class is the enum type, right? Yes or no? So if you want, you can specify the passport number, email, sorry, email. What is the email functionality you can specify? I want to write like a not blank message. Mandatory, right? Email. Got it? Yeah. Yes or no, please. Phone number ఏదమ్మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ పెట్టలే మనం పాస్పోర్ట్ పెట్టామా
Please.
పాస్పోర్ట్ నెంబర్
Password could petty. Yes, sir.
ఓకే లెట్ మీ ట్రై టు స్పెసిఫై దెన్ పాస్పోర్ట్ అన్నీ అయిపోతాయి ఒకసారి పెడితే
సార్ డేట్ ఇంకో ఫార్మాట్ లో పెట్టాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి సార్?
చెప్తాను టైం టెంపరల్ డాట్ టైం అని పెట్టండి సరిపోద్ది అంటే మీకు అవర్స్ ఎన్ని కావాలనుకోండి పెట్టుకుంటాం
అది కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు మంత్, డేట్, ఇయర్స్ అంటే ఇంకో
ఓకే
ఫార్మాట్.
సో యూ కెన్ ట్రై టు యూజ్ ఎట్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ప్యాటర్న్ కెన్ ఐ యూజ్ ఇట్
ఎస్ సార్.
ఎక్కడ ఉన్నది ప్యాటర్న్ then you can try to use regular expression then right
ఎస్ సార్.
message so then date format should be year dd got it
ఎస్ సార్.
date format should be year and yy like this around this got it
ఎస్ సార్.
that's it లేదమ్మా నాకు ఇలా వద్దు then generally when you are trying to fetch the data from the comment I mean this data once you are storing the data in the database madam definitely what will happen tell me you should be fetch the information from the client right the data will come which format madam JSON format right
ఎస్ సార్.
hello then
Yes, sir.
the JSON format yes you can try to convert JSON format also is providing one annotation madam instead of using pattern you can try to use like this also no issues మీకు అన్ని ఉదాహరణలు చూపిస్తున్నానమ్మా మీకు ఇంకా మీరు ఆడుకోవటమే కొత్త కొత్త తెలుస్తుంటాయి మీరు ఇంకా నౌ వన్స్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద వే ఆఫ్ డిజైనింగ్ దట్స్ ఎనఫ్ యూ కెన్ ట్రై టు చెకింగ్ అండ్ డిజైనింగ్ దట్స్ కమ్స్ యువర్ చాయిస్ దెన్ షేప్ ద షేప్ స్ట్రింగ్ right shape string yeah like this then you can specify the pattern for each pattern you want it ma'am dd got it
Yes,
even
sir.
this is also you can try to do that so that the data whatever is coming is converting as a date pattern string format lo వస్తుంది data దాన్ని నువ్వు convert చేస్తున్నావు date format లో when you are storing in the database getting my point yes
Yes, sir.
so you can do like this in different ways it will be there madam let's see is it clear guys good next so anyway sir one thing I think is it clear validations I hope you understand guys okay guys is it I hope you understand validations now let me try to
Yes,
use
sir.
this one in the database purpose madam can I use creation stamp timestamp right name equal, you can specify created at, comma, then updatable. So when you are creating a date, when you are inserting a data, in the moment, please updatable, make it as a false. Got it? Next. So here, same thing, creations timestamp. Right. Here, instead of using updatable, you can try to use insertable. When you are inserting, yes, you can try to perform this operation, madam. Is it clear? Any question, please? Creation timestamp and create at and update at. Sorry. So when you are updating, only this particular column only will change. The insertion column will not change it. Already you know that, right, ma'am? Are you clear, everyone? See, validations we applied and even report generation purpose we took like create what time is creating, what time updating we are mentioning. I think everything is fine. Can I move forward? Yes. Guys, please.
ఫోన్ నంబర్ అది యాడ్ చేసి
చేసాం కదా పాస్పోర్ట్ నెంబర్ పాస్పోర్ట్ చేద్దాం ఫోన్ నెంబర్ వ్యాలిడేషన్ పెట్టాల్సి వస్తుంది ఎక్స్ట్రా వ్యాలిడేషన్ వాల్యూ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ ఇట్ now. So now can we try to use JSON, because when you're trying to expose the data, the JSON format your data is exposing, your data is exchange, better word is exchange, your data is exchanging data is, once data is moves to the JSON format, what names we try to specific JSON format, first name, last name, the same names, right, madam? Instead of using these names, if you want, you can try to make a small changes of the names. Then what I can do it? Come on, at the rate of JSON property. Is it clear? Then you can try to specify the logical name like this. Yes, madam? Last name. Yeah. Done. So first name, last name, even you can try to specify whatever you want, you can try to decide now. That's not a matter for me. Are you understand, please? Yes or no?
ఎస్ సార్
Right. Then wherever you want, you can try to use it. But only thing is, the data, when you are exchange the information, or when you are inserting the data in the database, I don't want to see these two fields participating in the JSON format. Then what I can do in this case? Because what we can do in this case? Look at the rate of JSON ignore properties value created. Are you understand, madam, please? Yes or no, please?
ఎస్ సార్
This is the way you can do it. If you do any spelling mistake, you can copy paste it then.